Evening of Saturday, June 27 is today, 2026. Good evening, everyone. I am very happy with the results that is coming out from the vigilante group from across the country, from across all breadth of this land called Nigeria. What the vigilante groups are doing are amazing. But you know one thing? Look at the whole mainstream media. Nobody is reporting the successes of the vigilante groups. Nobody is reporting it. Anyway, there are some of them that is good not to report. Like I used to say, there might be some situations involved in all those things. I think it's important they keep it out of social media. But you know what? Kudos should be given to vigilante groups. Because if you have never seen gun battle, you will not understand what it means to go into the bush with one round gun or pump action 8 rounds guns facing someone who is carrying AK-47 and other sophisticated weapons. It's not easy. I know what it is. I know what they are facing. So when I see successes coming out, I'm always happy. I'm very, very happy with what is happening with the vigilante groups. Now, you know, before now, not that many villages don't have vigilante, but we were lacking something. Could it be a morale? Should I say it is a morale motivation to go after these terrorists? But now, I'm seeing a different story entirely. Yes, I'm seeing a different story entirely. I'm in the media. I get informations, even the informations that I did not go for will come to me. You understand? I'm seeing the videos every day. These people are going after the terrorists. All they need is just intel. All they need is just information. All they need is just direction. And these people are bringing out results. It is result that matters. These people are bringing out results. If there is anyone that will first save you in this situation we are seeing in Nigeria right now, believe in your vigilante groups. Believe in your local hunters. Believe in your local security outfit. They will save you. They need motivation. They need support. I am not a kind of person that believe in something that is in the air that will never come to reality. I deal with reality. What I am seeing is what I say. You understand? So, kudos to the whole vigilante group from across the country. They are doing an amazing job. Now, the reason I'm making this video, another one happened today, but I'm talking about what happened yesterday, being the 26th day of June 2026. Igbanke is an Eka-speaking community. It's not, if not because of political boundaries they drew in the past. Igbanke is supposed to be even in my federal constituency, but they put Igbanke in Edo State. You understand? We speak one language, we answer the same name, we are the same. But they now put them in Edo State, in Orionwo local government area in Edo State. Now, there is this community called Idumorden farmland. A farmer went to do his normal business of farming. Guess what? Not knowing that these terrorists they call bandits have invaded Orionwo local government area. You understand? So they now kidnap this man as usual. They will make call, demand ransom, try to exercise authority now. But you know what? The vigilante group in this community did not sit back and start murmuring. They go after the terrorists. You are in our territory. Here is our domain. You don't have right over us here. That was the message. The message was clear. But you know what? That movement was a movement of courage because they did not come back without casualty. One of the vigilante members was shot. Did they abandon him in the bush? No. They carried him in their shoulder and brought him back home after defeating the terrorists and rescued the kidnapped victim. This is what we call victory. This is what we call victory. Now, just take a look at this short clip. I will not show more than that because of some YouTube violation.
Igbanke. We are pursuing the kidnapper. They kidnapped one of our men. So they shot one of our men. So this is the Igbanke security team under this security corps. Yes. So we are in the Alishimia bush. Yes. The kidnapper shot one of our boys. They shot him. So we rescued the man they kidnapped. But one of our colleague was shot. So we are trying to rescue him. We are trying to rescue him. Let somebody sit. Let somebody sit. No. This is Igbanke team. Together with additional team. We are trying to rescue one of our they kidnapped one of our indigents in Igbanke. So the man went to the farm. He was kidnapped today being the 25th, it's the 26th day of June 2026. Today is 26th of June 2026. So a man was kidnapped. So this is the man they kidnapped in his farm. They kidnapped this man. They kidnapped this man in his farm. So he was kidnapped today by the kidnappers. So trying to rescue him now. They shot one of our colleagues, one Edo Security member. His name is Stanley. He was shot. So we are trying to rescue him now. Over.
All right. The sector that led this command is Commander Osiago Efine. Commander Osiago Efine is the commanding corps that led this VGN group in collaboration with the Edo Security Corps, and they did a marvelous work. The victim that they rescue is Mr. Osemeke Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday is his name, Mr. Osemeke Tuesday. So they rescue him, they brought him home. But guess what? These people have vowed to take care of their land. They have vowed to take care of their community. This is what we need. We don't need English. We don't need grammar. We don't need all those things they are doing in Abuja, deceiving people. What we need now is this to save life. This is the necessity, the urgent something we need now. At least for now, just for us to survive, for us to breathe. This is what we need. You understand? This is what we need. Wherever you are, support your vigilante group. Support them back home. They hold the key to your security. They hold the key to your life. If you have intelligence, share with them. Share with them. If you can buy them drum, buy them drum. Anything you know you can use to support them, do that. These people are not joking. I saw so many traditional medical doctors. They call them native doctors. They have issued so many statements. I saw their videos today. I saw up to 6 videos they sent to me, warning about the infiltration of these terrorists in the bushes. But I also want to warn about insiders collaboration. Because I discovered that these people are not just doing this alone. They are insider collaboration. That means that if they come to, for example, they come to Delta State, my state, they will look for 1 or 2 people that can collaborate with them. First of all, if they come, they will look for their people who have been there right from time. If those people will be able to give them the necessary information they need, and if they know road, you understand. So that is the first thing. Then the second thing is that if they didn't see their people to work with, they will now look for community people, community members, and they will work with them. So I still believe that people from different communities are still supporting this terrorism. Many people, including clergymen, they are doing all these things because of money. Black man mentality. They are still doing this thing because of money. Now, the reason why I am so desperate of strong vigilantes in all the whole villages is because you see if there is any policy, anything they are doing in Abuja, any law they are changing in Abuja, hello, it does not affect your village. I will tell you this and I will tell you this thing for free. Because the government is non-local. That's why you have a local government chairman. That's why you have a local government. But the government is non-local. Let me give you an example now. This thing that happened in Orio on local government, you can never see it on the news. What happened today, also in Delta State, you can never see it in the news. So things are going on, but you can never see them in the news. The other day, Warri Road was blocked. The other day, Ore, going to Lagos was blocked by these people. For hours, you will never see all these things in the news. So forget about the policies they are making in Abuja. It will not help you. It will not help you because it's not local. Okay, they are talking about state police, right? I have told so many people that these state police that they are doing, there are advantages. They are advantages. We are not playing politics here. They are gains of this vigilante group. But I told people the disadvantages. For example, people who are sponsoring insecurity. I know some governors in the north that have been indicted, the allegations that they are doing so. So those people will also use state police to do what they are doing. You understand? But you see, people who are genuinely want to solve the problem of insecurity, state police will go a long way to help. And the way it will help is that not that you are going to leave the police for state to be recruiting their brothers, a governor will bring. No. State police also gives power to traditional rulers to present people who guide their community to the state government. So you know what that means? It's an opportunity for us to upgrade. You are using a pump action, you are using shoot and run, you have gone to training before. So your CV already proves that you are a better security personnel. So it will be easy for you to be recruited into the state police. I know they will also consider age and so on and so forth. But put your head, upgrade your gun. We are talking about security of lives and property here. We are not joking here. Okay? We are not talking about job opportunity. No. We are not saying go and join state police because you need job opportunity, because you want to earn money. No, this is not all about money. We are not talking about money here. We are talking about how to survive. You understand? We are talking about how to survive. So as far as I am concerned, I, Okocha Happy Marcel, there is one thing that I will never do. I will never believe in Tinubu's government. I will never believe in all these things, all these shenanigans they are doing. Well, no matter what Tinubu is doing, Tinubu, who led the coalition with Buhari to import these terrorists that are killing us, can't solve it. They can't solve the situation because they brought the terrorists. Kau Baraje confessed. Kau Baraje was their secretary. Confessed that they brought it. Someone like Erufai, Eyinaya Baribe, to mention, I have their files now. I have their videos of their confessions. Both people who are not among those people who imported it, they still come out to say, yes, these people imported these terrorists. Like, everybody knows the truth. But guess what? Then we are still waiting for the same person, the same group, the same structure, according to Canadian court, the same terrorist organization to solve the problem of terrorism. Maybe you think like that. Everybody have right to think the way they want to think. But me, Okocha Happy Marcel, I don't think like that. I'm not afraid of anybody, okay? I don't think like that. The reason why all these kind of problems persist in Africa is because of our mentality. How can you imagine and start believing in a foundation that sponsors insecurity, that foundation will come and solve your insecurity? You will wait for 30 years. May God keep us alive. You will wait for 20 years, 30 years. Listen to Sultan of Sokoto. Sultan of Sokoto said this insecurity will spend decades, meaning from 20 years above, if it will stop at all. Then, Matawande, your Minister of Defense is telling you that it's only God that can stop this insecurity. Then you yourself, you are deaf, there's a muzzle. You think you know something, Abi? No, you think you know something. You are learned. You have not asked questions about how they brought the terrorists. You did not ask your Minister of Defense, Matawande, an incumbent Minister of Defense, saying it's only God that will solve this. Don't you ask him, what did you see? What did you see? What makes you to talk about this? No, Nigerians will not ask. People will like to market their business. People will like favoritism, like they want people to favor them. They don't want to talk about the government. They don't want to say the truth. I studied those people who oppose the disintegration or the division of Yugoslavia. I studied those people. Till today, they are still facing small crises in their country. But the people who wanted division, like Croatia, Serbia, others, they are living in peace. Who told you that division of Nigeria is not the solution? People don't want to hear what they call division. Why? But you can draw boundary and divide Delta State to Anyoma. You drew boundary, former Bandits State. You divide it into Delta State and Edo State. So what is the problem of drawing boundary the same and dividing Nigeria? What is the problem? Okay, we talked about restructuring before, even before now. They said there is nothing they want to restructure in Nigeria. Like, so people should continue like this. Majority of people who want Nigeria to continue like this, they went to school, free education. Nigeria helped them when Nigeria was good. And their generation destroyed Nigeria. And now, they want the Nigeria their generation had destroyed, that we, the oncoming people, should just work with it, try to fight for it. Whereas, the system favored them and they destroyed the system. Anyway, may God keep us alive to see what is going to happen if we continue like this.